2b from second chapter, inverse trigonometry functions. Let us have a discussion. Question is, the first question in 2b exercise is, prove that 3 sine inverse x equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Is how we are going to do that. So first, you have to consider RHS, LHS, RHS. Before going to prove this RHS, sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Let x is equal to sine theta. That implies that theta equal to sine, bring this side, sine inverse x will come. Okay, dear students. After that, wherever x is there, replace with sine theta. This will becomes sine inverse of 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, which is equal to sine inverse of 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is the formula for sine 3 theta. Sine inverse of sine x, we have the formula. Sine inverse of sine x is equal to x. Yes, students. Here you need to remember x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 means you need to verify whether sine inverse of sine 3 theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 or not. It will be, obviously. So which is equal to sine inverse of sine 3 theta is 3 theta. So which is equal to 3 into, what is theta value we got here? Sine inverse x. It is required LHS only, not dear students. So this is the way we can. I hope you understand. We'll move to question number 2. Similarly, the question, prove that three cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to closed 1 by 2 comma 1, dear students. Yeah. I think are able to get the clarity in this. Even this also we are going to start with the same RHS. Cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Let x is equal to cos theta. That implies that theta equal to cos inverse of x. So which is equal to cos inverse of 4 into cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, which is equal to cos inverse of, this bracket value is the formula for cos 3 theta, dear students. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the formula for cos 3 theta. So again we have the formula cos inverse of cos x equal to x. So cos inverse of cos 3 theta is 3 theta. that is equal to 3 into theta equal to cos inverse of x, which is required LHS, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to next question. Question number 3. Find the value. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. It's a good question. See how to proceed this value. Anyone got idea about this? Yeah, Vijay, I'm confused, bro. What happened, Vijay Shiva? Where you have that confusion, please let me know. First, you have to consider the given sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Yeah. Your second question, please explain, bro. Right. In second question, we are considering first RHS, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Let x is equal to cos theta, then theta equal to cos inverse x. So wherever we are taking x, you replace with cos theta, then 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula for cos 3 theta. So cos inverse of cos 3 theta, therefore 3 theta. What is theta here? Cos inverse x. So 3 cos inverse x. Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. See, the range of sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to. Okay, bro. Thank you. 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to closed minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That is the reason this 2 pi by 3 value bring into that means principal form, principal value of sine inverse of sine. This 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3. What is the value of sine of pi minus pi by 3? Sine of pi minus theta is sine theta. Sine of pi minus theta equal to sine theta. So sine inverse of sine pi by 3. So which is equal to sine inverse of sin x or sin theta is equal to theta. This theta belongs to closed minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So pi by 3, this value, pi by 3 belongs to this interval or not? Yeah. So pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I hope you understand, students. We'll move to next question. So question number 4. Find the value of tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. It's a good question. First, what we have to do is tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 means 135 degrees, dear students. Yeah, those who are willing, please you can give the like. Thank you. Guru. Yes. Three pi by 4. For tan inverse, it lies 3 pi by 4 does not belongs to open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is very important thing. This 3 pi by 4 means 135 degrees does not belongs to open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So that is the reason you bring into this value belongs to open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So tan inverse of tan of pi minus pi by 4. Are able to understand, dear students, why we are writing like this? To get in the principal value. So not 1, dear students. It is pi by 4 will come. Tan 3 pi by 4. Yeah, anyone? Tan inverse of tan pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 it is, dear students. Yeah, someone is giving answers as 1. So, which is equal to tan inverse of 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi only now. So, tan of pi minus theta minus tan theta means minus tan pi by 4. Okay, dear students. Later, tan inverse of minus, this is completely tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. So, which is equal to minus tan inverse of tan pi by 4. This pi by 4 value is belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 open interval, dear students. Why? Because the range of tan inverse x is open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So, minus tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So, tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta, where theta belongs to open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, which is very important. So, minus pi by 4, it should be belongs to this interval, dear students. So, your answer is not 1, dear student, this is a minus pi by 4. Tan inverse of tan pi by 4. Minus is there, dear students, you remember. If it is 5 pi by 4, your answer is plus pi by 4. Your answer is plus pi by 4. I hope you understand. We'll move on to next question. Even in some textbooks it is giving like this. It's not the correct one according to my knowledge. I'll turn the page. Next, in second bit, question number 1. So, find the value. Find tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5. It's a good question, dear students. Plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. So, this is the question. Tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. So, how to proceed? See how we are going to make it. Yeah, any idea you can share with me, dear students? See, first what we have to do is let sine inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to A. That implies that sine A, sine we are bringing this side, sine A is equal to 3 by 5. You remember, dear students, Here in brackets tan is there, sine also. In terms of tan you have to convert. So how to convert means by drawing right angled triangle. Here angle is A, sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse, no? So obviously Pythagorean triples, by using that 3 4 5 will come. From this tan A value is how much? Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent side, so 3 by 4. Okay dear students. Next, second one, let cot inverse of 3 by 2. So before cot inverse is equal to B, that is equal to, we have the formula cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. So by using this tan inverse of 1 by 3 by 2, is it equal to 2 by 3 or not, dear students? So from this tan inverse bring this side, so tan B is equal to 2 by 3. So tan B is equal to 2 by 3, we got it. So again you have to draw right angle triangle where the angle is B here. So tan definition is opposite by adjacent side, no? So by using Pythagoras theorem, 2 square plus 3 square is 4 plus 9, 13. So from this tan B value we got it. Tan B is 2 by 3. No need of finding other values. 2 by 3. So the given value will become tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2, which is equal to tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5 is A, cot inverse of 3 by 2 is B. So tan of A plus B, formula tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So we got the values of tan A tan B, dear students, from here. So tan A value is 3 by 4 plus tan B value is 2 by 3 whole divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So which is equal to, by simplifying, 3 3s are 9. So LCM is 12. 9 plus 8 divided by, even here also without cancelling, the LCM is 12. 12 minus 6. 12 get cancelled. 9 plus 8 is 17 divided by 12 minus 6 is 6. Therefore, the value of tan sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2 equal to 17 by 6. I hope everyone understands, students. Next we will move to other question. If it is completed, we will move it. In the next question, what is that concept is, write the following functions in the simplest form. Write the following functions in simplest form. This is important, dear students. So in that first question, that means first question means second one here. Tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x, where x is not equal to 0. Okay. See, in what way we can, whenever tan inverse is there, bracket value compulsory in terms of sign, we need to get it. Yeah, Prabhat Kumar, thank you for joining. Good evening. So this bracket value you need to get by taking proper substitution, trigonometry function. In terms of tan, we want to get it. See, put x is equal to tan theta, that implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, dear students. Wherever x is there, replace with tan theta. The above problem will becomes root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Okay. Now more simplification. Tan inverse of root 1 plus tan square theta is secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sin by cos theta. So which is equal to tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. So in the very next step, you are going to get tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by, see here, cos theta whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. This is the information we got from the last step. Okay. So cos theta get cancelled. So we have in trigonometry multiples and multiples. 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square A by 2. Half angle formula, dear students. Similarly, sin A in terms of half angles. 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Okay. So by using these formulae, tan inverse of, in place of 1 minus cos theta, replace with 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 whole divided by, in place of sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 get cancelled. One of the sin theta by 2 also get cancelled. So the rest of the terms, tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So which is equal to tan inverse of sin by cos is tan theta by 2. We have the formula. Tan inverse of tan x is x. So which is equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is theta by 2. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is theta we assumed here? Theta is equal to tan inverse x now according to this problem. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. So this is the simplest form of tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Okay, dear students, we'll move to next question. What is the next question? Question number 3. This is also simplest form you have to write. Tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, where 0 is less than x is less than pi. Okay, dear friends, you need to simplify and you need to write it. We have direct formula, root of 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So direct formula we have, but no need of doing direct one. We already done here the formula. 1 minus cos A means 2 sin square A by 2. 1 plus cos A means 2 sin cos square A by 2. So no need of applying. So have the formula. 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. So therefore tan inverse of root over 2 sine square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So tan inverse of root sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. So which is equal to tan inverse of root square cancel, no? So tan x by 2 simply. So which is equal to tan inverse of tan x by 2 is simply x by 2. That's all answer. Prabhat Kumar, thank you for joining. Please, if you really like this video, please share to your friends and relatives and ask them to subscribe my channel. It's my sincere request to all viewers. Next question number 4. What is the question number 4? Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. If you remember direct formula, you can apply. Otherwise, bring into formula form and write it. Okay. Here the conditions are minus pi by 4 is less than x is less than 3 pi by 4. First, tan inverse of cos x take common from numerator, then 1 minus sin x by cos x divided by 1 plus sin x by cos x. So which is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus sin x by cos x tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. We have the formula 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is the formula for tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x. We have the formula, dear students. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x, which is equal to pi by 4 minus x. This is the simplest form of the given question. The next question is fifth one. Tan inverse of x by root over a square minus x square, where mod x is less than a. See, tan inverse, I already said that tan inverse means this bracket value you need to convert in terms of tan. So put x is equal to, here a square is there means a will come, x is equal to, numerator compulsory sin by cos only, no, so x value compulsory sin theta. If you take cos theta, it won't come. Why? Because cos theta by sin theta, cot theta. Again cot theta in terms of tan, we need to convert. It will take time. So x is equal to a sin theta. Suppose in your question 16 minus x square is there, you take it here 4 square, no? So 4 sin theta. If it is 9 minus x square, 3 sin theta, you take it. This is the logic behind that, dear students. So that implies that sin theta is equal to x by a. So from that again theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. Okay, dear students. Therefore, wherever x is there, replace with this tan inverse of a sin theta divided by root of a square minus a square sin square theta, which is equal to tan inverse of a sin theta divided by root of a square, take common, 1 minus sin square theta. So which is equal to tan inverse of a sin theta. A square bring outside of the root, it will become, otherwise you carry on with that same a square into 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, no? Sorry, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, no? So which is equal to tan inverse of a sin theta divided by a cos theta. Root square cancel. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Therefore tan inverse of tan theta, that is equal to theta. What is theta we got here? Sin inverse of x by a. This is the simplest form of the given inverse trigonometric function. Okay, dear students, let us move to question number 6. What is the tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube whole divided by a cube minus 3ax square. So a is greater than 0 and minus a by root 3 is less than x is less than a by root 3. See, in what way we can get it at this answer? In previous question, a square is there means x value, a sin theta, we got it. Even here, by observing the data, in bracket value, I want to get tan. So by seeing, if you take, put x is equal to a tan theta. Sir, how can you know that a tan theta, a sin theta, a cos theta? If you take tan theta, x is equal to a tan theta, it will become 3a cube tan theta will come now. So 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta formula we have, tan 3 theta formula. So that is the reason we are taking this value. So that implies that tan theta is equal to x by a. That also implies that theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Okay. Later, tan inverse of 3a square into a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta by a cube minus 3a into a square tan square theta. So from numerator, tan inverse of a cube take common. So remaining 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by a cube, take common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So a cube get cancelled, which is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus tan theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus tan square 3 tan square theta is called tan 3 theta. So again we have the formula tan inverse of tan theta, tan x is equal to x. So by using this, tan inverse of tan 3 theta is 3 theta. So that is equal to 3 into what is theta we have here? Tan inverse of x by a. This is the simplest form of the given problem. More 2 questions are there, dear students. We will finish it the session. More 2 questions on that. Find the value of tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2. So first what we have to do, tan inverse of 2 into cos of 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2 in terms of sine. So 1 by 2 in terms of sine, for what angle it comes? Sine 30 degrees. 30 degrees means pi by 6. Okay, dear students. So tan inverse of 2 into cos of 2 into sin inverse of sin x. This pi by 6 value belongs to closed minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, no? So this value is equal to pi by 6. Since by using the formula sin inverse of sin x is equal to x, where x belongs to closed minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, clarity. So 2 1s, 2 3s, dear students. Tan inverse of 2 into cos pi by 3. So tan inverse of 2 into cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2, no? So 2 get cancelled. Tan inverse of 1. So which is equal to tan inverse of 1 in terms of tan pi by 4. This pi by 4 is belongs to open minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 only, no? So the value of the given cos inverse tan inverse of 2 into cos of 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 4. I think everyone understands, students. We'll move to question number 8, which is the last question in this session, dear students. Question number 8. find the value of tan of 1 by 2 of sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. Here conditions: mod x is less than 1 and y is greater than 0 and xy is less than 1. So to solve this type of problems is a good question conceptually. Put x is equal to tan alpha, that implies alpha is equal to tan inverse of x and y is equal to tan beta, that implies that beta is equal to tan inverse of y. Okay, so these values substitute in the above formula, above question. Tan of 1 by 2 of sine inverse of 2 tan alpha divided by 1 plus tan square alpha plus cos inverse of 1 minus tan square beta divided by 1 plus tan square beta. So we have the formulas: 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha is the formula for sine 2 alpha. Sine 2 alpha in terms of tan. Sine 2 alpha in terms of tan formula 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha, dear students. Similarly, cos 2 beta in terms of tan 1 minus tan square beta by 1 plus tan square beta is the formula for cos 2 beta in terms of tan. So by using first result, it will become tan of 1 by 2 into sine inverse of sine 2 alpha plus cos inverse of cos 2 beta. So, sine inverse of sine x is x. So tan of 1 by 2 of sine inverse of sine 2 alpha is 2 alpha plus cos inverse of cos 2 beta is 2 beta. 2 take common. So tan of 1 by 2 of 2 into alpha plus beta, 2 get cancelled. Tan of alpha plus beta. It is in the form of tan of a plus b only now. So what is tan of a plus b? Formula: tan a plus tan b by, that means tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So which is equal to tan alpha value. What is tan alpha? We have taken x plus tan beta value is y by 1 minus x into y. So this is the simplest form of the given inverse trigonometric equation value expression. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. Still any doubts are there regarding this chapter or any required chapter, you can message, write in the comment box. In my free time I will respond. Thank you for your session, joining this session. Thank you all. I'm going to end the session.